Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2015 Ford Fusion SE, stock number B9471P. 43,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Deep impact blue in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's Top Safety Pick. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice size trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry. Power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Gigs with customizable dash on both sides, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Large My Ford Touch infotainment system for dual zone automatic temperature control. Radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
For hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials. Under the hood, this Fusion has a 2.5 liter, 4-cylinder, 175 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a mid-size sedan. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and a city average of 34 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Fusion, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.